Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the phone app and going straight to Settings. This is where call screening starts. Enable caller ID and spam and turn on any filter for suspected spam so your phone can label unknown callers. Next, allow the phone app and Google Assistant to access microphone, calls, and notifications. These permissions let the assistant screen and transcribe incoming calls. Once done, you'll see the screen call option on incoming calls if your device supports it. Tap that to start screening immediately. Once screening is available, you control how the assistant handles calls. When a call arrives, tap Screen Call and pick a per-written response or create a custom message so the caller hears context without reaching you. Make sure automatic screening is enabled for unknown or suspected spam numbers to reduce interruptions. Also check transcription settings so you can read live text and decide to answer, hang up, or mark as spam. If you want more control, adjust the assistant's follow-up prompts in phone app settings for clarity and speed. To finish, review screened calls and transcripts in your recent calls list. That lets you decide whether to return specific calls or block numbers. Report spam to help future filtering, and sync call settings across Google accounts if you use multiple profiles. If call screening stops working, first update the phone and Google apps, reboot the phone, and verify permissions again. If problems persist, clear the phone app cache or reinstall updates. This fixes most issues without resetting your whole device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.